Hey guys, it's been a long time. It just turned night here in Minecraft. Um, today is actually St. Patrick's Day, March 17th, 2017. So I thought I'd do a quick little video just to celebrate. Let me put my green on. Yeah, I haven't done any videos in a while. Um, I'll probably address that in, a regularly scheduled video. Not that that means anything anymore. Um, the last video I did, I don't even remember when that was. I realized that by recording in HD, you know what? I'm just going to talk about it in another video. This is really going to be a quick 5-minute video just to celebrate St. Patrick's Day. I couldn't just, let today pass without doing a video. So, it's late in the day now, which means in Ireland it's St. Patrick's Day is almost over. So I'll just go ahead and quickly celebrate, and we can talk some other day, hopefully in the future. All right. So let's just do a couple little. I made some fireworks here. Ooh, pretty. I put a really long timer on those, so they're really far away and you can't see them. They do look very nice, though. Did that one not go off? All right. Uh, in keeping with speaking in the Irish language, Beannachtaí na Féile Pádraig ort. Happy St. Patrick's Day.